Good morning guys, today we've got here Redmi A7 Pro and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So first of all, unroll your phone the other. Now mark more icon and go to contacts. Now you have to pick the contact that you want to personalize, that you want to add this profile picture to, select edit and now mark plus icon. And you can either grab a photo via camera right now, you can pick something from your own gallery, from Google Photos, you can add some monogram or illustration. Then obviously you can customize it, you can add some preset or cut it however you like. Then just mark save and that's it. So that's how you can add profile picture to contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.